I'm not gonna make a VOD of this because, like, why would I? I'm literally just doing some test run. Okay, let's see. Frames seem to be good. Probably because I'm not running too much stuff in the background. Also, it's just OBS this time. I don't know if last time was also just OBS. I need to check if I have Twitch Studio on my laptop. I don't remember if I do or not. It looks like I don't have it, so it's probably just OBS last time as well. But yeah, everything seems to be fine. I'm I'm just gonna go through this. So yeah, right now I'm making a menu. You might be wondering, what's with like all these other files? Uh oh. Well, great. I'm gonna have to watch that in post. Uh yeah, so this is stuff I used for a what's it called? Uh like my CPT project for my computer programming class, and there we also had to make a game. So now I'm repurposing all of it. So I'm opening them all up in like text files and just using stuff because you know it's been a while. I need a refresher. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna run with this. Right now I'm just starting with the menu, so I have like the menu file, folder here, and yeah. I'm commenting as I go because I know I'm going to need it. Because right now the game is just a concept in my brain. I keep thinking up of more stuff to add to it, and I'm still just working on the fucking menu, man. I only have like 2 hours, well, not even 2 hours, probably like an hour of work done. Because I've been procrastinating the entire time. I have like a text file open while listening to music, and then I'm watching a video on my phone. And then I get distracted by the video on my phone and get like no work done. So I'm also gonna have to put this into an IDE later. Um, just gonna be pain, but yeah, right now I'm making like standard main menu stuff, and I just hope to God it works. I do set their X positions, right? X and Y, yeah. What the fuck? I thought I heard some weird sound. Hold on. Is that an ice cream truck? Or it could be both, you never know. Someone probably made that a story. I have to guess. So yeah, and then to get added to the pane. I still don't know if this actually works or not, because I never actually messed around with that. Initialize the stuff for main menu. What? Oh, I didn't edit the comment yet. It's still copy paste. I should say character. Next one is skills. Next should be option. And that's credit. So yeah, main menu is like play. And then if you press play, it takes you to the character menu. And in the character menu, you can access the different characters by moving left and right. And then you can also access the skills of that character, so you can view what they have in with another button. So it's like three separate menus. And then after that, you have the options menu, credits, and then an exit button or exit menu, which is wait, no, it's not a menu though. Do I want a menu? I mean, I guess I could technically do a menu for that, but like if you just close the fucking game, I'm not gonna ask. I'm not gonna ask if. Are you sure you want to close the game? I'll just fucking close it. Um, fonts. Didn't I delete like half of these in the constructor? I know this is the constructor. The thing at the top. I forget what it's called. This thing. I deleted like all the fonts except for maybe one, or did I just get rid of them all? I think I got rid of them all. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I literally just copy pasted the menu file from my previous project, so a lot of this is gonna have to get deleted. Yeah, this is all just to get a menu to work in my previous game. And there's only like 3 buttons on that menu too. This one has four technically. Um, oh yeah, so I did that. What else? Um, any other graphics on the menu? Oh, there totally is another graphic. There's the BG title, right? Do I have it? Yeah, I do. Stuff for the main menu. Do I have title? Oh, it's right here. Never mind. Wait, I never added to the pane though. Okay. Wait, do I add the BG to the pane? Yeah, I do. Um, yeah, I'll just add it, and then the buttons could go on top. I may have to change up the map for the button positioning, but that's fine. IV title. Yep, yep, yep. Okay. I'm just gonna get to work on the character menu. If this shit doesn't work later, I at least know where to look to how to fix it. Um, alright. This is the image for the background, so equals image. That. Yep. What's the directory? So it should be images. Menu. This is the character ones. So it'll be that. Not title. B. Do I call it bg.png or is it like background? I need to stay consistent at the very least. Yeah, it's just bg. Okay. This is the image view. Tractor. There we go. And now, right, the fit width, fit height. Wait, oh, I didn't. I need to adjust all of these fit widths with, yeah, I didn't finish doing that. So I have the setting values all stored in an array. The first one being in slot 0 is the ratio of which the screen is at. So, you know, depending on that, I'm gonna have to multiply everything by this value, and I need to make sure I keep the original, like, width and height of objects anyways, so... Oh boy. Uh, I didn't finish typing that. That should say get. Wait, I just have R width and R height now, because I instantiated it as its own variable here. Just so I could do easy math with it, so I didn't have to like bend my brain. Oh, I copied the multiplication thing too. Alright, there we go. Yep. The spacing has already been taken care of. B height. That needs to be multiplied by the ratio. BX and BY, are they changed yet? Or is it... No, BX, BY is always that function. Got it. Spacing is always a function as well, so you don't have to worry about that. Oh, I think I messed up the spacing calculation. Yeah, because none of it is affected by ratio. Oh yeah, B height is affected by ratio. R height, I don't think is affected by ratio. It should be at the top here. It's not. See, that's a mistake. That should be a capital Y. And by is also not affected by the right. I can just do time that. Wait, oops. There, and then I just need to put a bracket at the beginning. So all of that gets affected by the ratio. Wait, no. Should be R height times ratio divided by 4. Okay, so this one was fine. I'm just gonna put brackets so it's easier to look at. So the B width is already being affected by the value, right? So all I have to do is this and that. So R width getting modified by the setting value minus that equals to Bx, yep. Which means I shouldn't have to change anything here because now our height needs to get changed. Just so that it is the proper value for the equation. Minimum, yeah. Alright, that better be correct. I don't want to look at that anymore. I'm just gonna assume it's correct. Okay. So yeah, B height, that's already modified. X and Y, yep, that's already modified by ratio. Yep, spacing by default is modified by ratio because spacing uses by and height and stuff to do the math. Alright, so yeah, character menu now. So that's that. And then now what I would do, let's see, this is just one of the standard images, so it would be chart. I don't have a normal size for this, do I? I need to set the CX and CY. And then modify that. Ah, shit. And the fit width. Yeah, I only have that. Okay. So, I'm not entirely sure how big the screen actually is going to be, but I can expect it to be like, I don't know, like this. I think it's around the size that where LBOL is, so I guess I want the character to be this side of screen, and then I can take up like some buttons here so I can skill, exit, and then left and right switches what characters active on the screen. So all I need is like the character to show up here. So its height should generally be the same height as the screen, but like maybe give it a little bit of spacing in between. So we'll say it takes up 90% of the height, which means X should be 5% of our height times the setting value. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I got this. And then this, I'm just gonna... Yeah, let's make it 5% off the side as well. And then I could figure out, like, how far into the screen it should be. Maybe it takes up, like, half the screen? I really don't know. I don't have the images for these either. I'll probably just tweak it later. So, our width... is it still copied? Yes, it is. Divided by 20. That's 5%. CY equals R height. Oh, times that divided by 20. Yeah. So that times ratio, take 5%. There you go. I could also just do times 0.05 right now. So if I want width to be roughly half, I could just do R width times that divided by 2. C height, I want it to be 90%. So that's our height times that, divided 10, multiplied by 9. So that's that taken care of. What next? I wonder. So now I need to set its, was it fit width? And then fit height. That doesn't look great. Yeah, it's supposed to be that. There. I can't spell. And then what was after that? It's like set smooth, I think. Yeah. Oh wait, I'm stupid. I do the modifications afterward. Okay. Yeah, because I need the original. Okay. Yeah, I need the original if I want to let the player be able to change the ratio mid-game. Or like during the game. I'm not sure if Eclipse is going to handle that well, but I don't know, we'll see. Or Eclipse, I don't fucking remember what the thing is called. So yeah, I should probably put a space there. That I shouldn't have been capitalized. Kills Ivy, Charter. Dun, dun, dun. Did I initialize the pain for it? I have a feeling I didn't. Yeah, I probably didn't. Oh, I never set pit width for this. It should just be R width times about the ratio of an IV. PG that's bit height. It's R height times that. There we go. So yeah, it's just pain equals new pain with the setting values. So this one, I have a feeling I called it like character pain or something. Character menu pain, got it. Paid, nice. I have a feeling I didn't put a space there for the other pane I set up. I just want to double check. Yeah, I didn't. I'm lazy. I don't put spaces after my commas when I'm coding. This is Mei Lang's theme. Nice. Okay. Then I can add it to... so it's this, the buttons. I'm gonna need to make an array for the buttons. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna... I don't know, I can display the stats on the side of the skills. No, I'll just display the stats on the same screen as the character. So instead of divided by 2, I'm gonna make it like 40%. So 40% divided by 5 times by 4. Not 4, 2. Yeah, because that's the same as uh, divide by 10 multiply by 4. Yeah. Okay, good. So I can have like character over here, like numbers for the stats here with maybe a small symbol next to them. Fuck, that's a lot of graphics. And then the buttons on the side. Actually, the buttons shouldn't take up that much space, but I mean, you never know. I could just make them like feckin' massive. Oh wait, no. I'll probably have like the name of a character up here and then the buttons underneath. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Graphic design is my passion. Everyone makes that joke. Don't worry about it. Um, for now, let's just add it. Oh wait, I need to set X and Y. Wait, did I set the X and Y for stuff in here? Oh no. I mean, it defaults to 0, 0, right? I should probably just add that in just in case. I don't care about my code not being, like, extremely efficient. Like, I just need to make sure it feckin' works. Well, obviously I don't want any glaring issues like, you know, like what some people do, but I at least want it to look neat. I'm also forgetting shit left and right, so... So yeah, for the menu, I have literally all of this, and then... I don't set the X and Y for the title, do I? No, I don't. Oh... Oh shit, that's not supposed to be... Hmm... So I called it B-width, right? So I guess I'll have, like, T-width next or something for title? Yeah, I can quickly make those, and then I can figure out what I want. And there's also going to be, like, TX and TY. Okay. I make it before or after? I made it before, so... This, private, double... Uh... This is just how I name my variables, don't worry about it. I know my final variables are supposed to be like all caps and stuff, but I don't care. I'm the only, well, I guess I am streaming this, but like I'm the only one who's using my code, so I like working on this. Yeah, I might as well just leave it so that I can understand it. Do it my way. I scrolled down too far. There it is. What was it doing? Right, TX2I, right, it's here. TX, TY, and then I need to do T width, T height as well. So I have the buttons going downwards. I think they're on the left side of the screen. I don't remember. What was BX? R width minus B width times -1. Oh, so it's on the right side of the screen. Okay. And then BY is R height. Bleh. R height times. Okay, so it's quarter of a way up the screen. Okay. Or like a quarter down, sorry. And then I have 4 buttons, so spacing. Okay. If that's the case, I could just make it take up like the left side of a screen if it's a quarter of a way up. I'll just put it like 5 pixels off the top or something. I don't know. So I could just do like R width, yay. That divided by 20, so 5%. So it's 5% off the side of the screen, and then this one, I'll just do the same thing. Oops. Yeah, I can't fucking spell. So, as for the width, I'll just make it centered for now, and I'll tweak with it when I actually get to see it. R width times that divided by 20. Ah, fuck, I'm doing it again. I'm not supposed to multiply by ratio yet. Because I'm basically just gonna copy paste this code for a function that will just update the sizes of everything. So, yeah, I gotta make sure all of these are, doing well. I might need to make, no, that's not how that works. Well, it won't work well if I do it that way. Times 18. Why don't I divide by 10 and multiply by 9 if I want 90%? And this one can just be like our height. What's a good real estate percentage? Actually, 10% of a screen? I'll probably just have one big image to fill up the rest of a space. So, yeah, I guess like 10% of the height of a screen is fine. We'll just see how it looks later. Set smooth, and then IV title, set X, TX. This should be T width. That should be T height. And then we just go IV title dot set Y TY. Thank you. There we go. Okay, what was I doing here? This is where I am. Man, I love the file name that I put this in. Text files have code on it, not the actual code. That's the file that this text file is in. Great. Oh, I need to set the X and Y values of these. Wait, so... Wait. Oh, this is the background. Oh, it's the background! Ew! Yeah. Important step. I thought I was doing the code for the IMG. I think IMG character is just the image image name I have, probably. Yeah. IMG character name, IV character name, character menu buttons, character stats. I mean, there's the stuff on the options screen. I don't know why there's an extra enter there. I was probably planning on writing something. Backgrounds. I really should. I fucked this up now. I'm just gonna place these properly. So this should realistically be like right there. This one can move down to the characters. It's for stuff on the character screen, so you just put that there. I don't need that part. This is character skills, so this would be the skills menu. Oh, that's the option screen. Wait. IMG skill, IMG start is the buttons. Back button is also that. Character stats. That's just going to be displayed on the screen. Stuff for the skills menu. So yeah, there's the credits. Not credits, options. Where is it? Here, I'll just drag all of them down so it's easier. Or not credit. I said options, right? So yeah, that would go there. Quickly grab these. Keep scrolling. Oh, I didn't do. Oh, I could just leave this here. Stuff for options. This is stuff for credit menu. Stuff for exit menu. I should really say menu, but I'll instead of screen. There we go. That explains what I'm using the menu for. Private font. Oh, I didn't delete it. I guess I could just have like a global font for stuff. Oh shit. Font scaling is gonna suck. I'm gonna have to figure out how that works later. Like, if I go on PowerPoint and I say like font 20 and I make another the same text that's in font 10, is it just like half the width and half the height? Oh, and then I have to fuck around with labels and shit? Oh no. Numbers suck. Oh, labels suck. Man. Alright, so I kind of fixed that up a bit. So what did this have to do? I was starting the skills menu, right? So let's see. Yeah, and I moved around the menu shit. Oh yeah. Skills and yes, so next is IMG character, IV character. Got it. Did I go past it? No, I didn't. Is that, yeah, so that shouldn't be C width and C height there. That should be R width and R height. So yeah, that's the size of the game because it's the background. It also means its X and Y position should be IV character. Should be 0. Y should also be 0. There we go, and now I start doing this stuff. Equals new image. It says that it is file images / menus / selector. I guess I would want to default it to character 0. Character. You know, indexes go by 1, 2, 3. Yeah, because that's how I'm doing it, right? Yeah. Hold on, let me check how I did the indexing for the buttons and the menu. The other menu. So where's the increase? Add select, deselect. I score. Adds character select menu, removes character select, updates character info. Oh, increasing and decrementing index. Fuck, on the character screen, I'm gonna have two separate indexes. Oh! Actually, I'm gonna need that on a lot of... Wait. I think I just made my job a lot easier by saying that. Because I was thinking, how am I gonna, like, make it so that... Oh, with a combat system, in case, like, you're able to like, have an attack that can select either single enemy, multiple enemies, yourself. I was wondering, like, how the hell am I gonna make it so that you can maneuver that with arrow keys? Using two indexes makes sense with the way I was thinking it, because then you just need a 2D array and then, you know, you do some math. And see whether or not you could skip over some numbers and shit like that. Alright, that's pretty easy, actually. Yeah. I'll need, like, index X and index Y, but... Ooh! Baby, we're getting somewhere! I forgot that. Ivy. Oops, wrong one. Image view. It should just be IG character. Character, yes, I know. Now I need to set width and height. I mean, I don't have to worry about that stuff until I actually start making the combat system, but oh well. Not equals. Should be set fit width. What did I say it was? Right, C width. I love spelling. That part was that. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Stream seems to be working fine off my laptop, from what I see anyways. And then I can add this to the pane, so... Wait. Oh, I didn't add the BG to the pane. Oops. IV, character, menu, G. Oops. You know, I'll just keep writing it here. Character, menu, pane. Dot add all. I just use add all. I know I don't have to, but it's what I'm used to. Oops. It's just IV character. There we go. And I can use dot set image to change what it is. I don't know if I had to reapply like this fit whip and shit, but hopefully I don't have to. Just for the sake of my sanity. Hopefully I don't lose too many sanity points. Great. Alright, so yeah, fit. Oh, that should say fit height. Okay. Remember to always double check your code. What's next? I'm assuming it's the buttons. Right, got some extra ones here. Extra lines I could take off. That's the main menu stuff. Character screen. Yeah, it's the buttons next. Why do I still have this stuff? Wait, how do I do it for... No, I still have that, yeah. It's just weird because the array... Oh, the array comes first, yeah. And when I store it in the array, and then... How do I do it? Oh, so I set it up and then I say, like, that one of the array equals that. I mean, I don't have to do it that way, but I guess it's useful for someone who's looking on codes, like which number is which. Did the music pause? Yeah, it did. Okay. Okay, so I just need to set up the array. What's it called? Probably character menu buttons. Star. Yep. Where's the... There it is. How many buttons should be on this screen? Do I have a variable for that? Why do I have a feeling I don't have a variable for that? Hey, it shouldn't be buttons, it should be image view, right? I forgot I'm using all images for his stuff. Skills menu, character menu buttons. I don't have a variable for that, so I'll just add. Where was it here? Where's menu now? Because that's what I used. There it is. Main menu paint. Oh, I think I know where it is. Stuff on the character screen. Did I fuck anything up over there? No, I didn't. Should be down here. Yeah. Menu num, character num, option num. Oh right, number of characters too. I forgot. Fucking forgot. Okay. Hopefully this doesn't get too complicated. Oops. Image view. It's that. I don't know what I want to call it. Option menu buttons. Very creative name. Index is just fine to be there, I think. What is it? There it is. Oh, I made it a final int? I guess that's fine. Character num, and then basically just want a copy of that. I'll just type it out so I don't leave. Just making sure. Yep, that I got that. Still copied. I'll just make it like char num. How do I differentiate it from the other one? Char button num. There we go. Go and move this one over to the main menu. Come on. Here we go. Save. I went past it. Here it is. I should probably let the number initialize these at the top. I went past it. Where is it? Initialize the stuff for character menu. There it is. char num equals 5, vendors, char button num. Let's see, so there's start, skills, and then like a back button, so that's for 8. There we go, so now I have an array that's the size of 3. Why start an extra line here? So how do I do it before? It's just set up the image view, right? Yeah, I just set up the image view. Set up the images too, so it's gonna be do I have it as img start and then img start s? Yeah. So it's start, skill, and then back. Got it. Oh. I don't normally put a space there. Why did I put a space there? Also, I'm missing that. Managers slash menus slash character slash it would be like start selected dot png. That's how I do it, right? Yep. Okay. And then the non-selected version would be new image. That. Images, menu, character, start.g. There we go. And we do iv start equals to image view. And since this is the first one, it's going to be the default by selected, or by default it will be selected. And I'll be like iv start dot set it width should be. Do I make it the same size? I'll make it the same size for now. B width times that. Iv start dot set fit height should be b height times that. And then afterwards, need to set its X and Y. I also need to set smooth. Did I set smooth for the upper things? No, I didn't. Okay. Yeah. Oh, the BG has it. Oh, I have it after the setting X and Y. Yeah, I'll do that. Oh, I need to check. Yeah, this one has it too. Just to keep it consistent, I'll put it always after the X and Y stuff. So, added that. S now needs X position. Let's see. So if it's going to take I'll just put it like 5% off of the left. Or off of the right. So it'll be R width times in brackets. Divide that. Wait, that should say 20 times by 19 to get the 5%, and then we subtract B width. Or, no, it'll be the fit width. Which is just B width times setting values, yeah. I need to check the spacing formula. Hold on. That's multiplied the B height. Ah. I need the original though. Yeah, multiplying by setting values multiple times. That's not supposed to happen. B width is not used in that. B height is, so I have to multiply that by that. Bx, that uses the B width. So if it's being multiplied by that, that should also be multiplied by the ratio. Both sides are being multiplied by the ratio. So I can just multiply the entire thing by that. Save the computer some time. And then that. Does, okay. Hold on, so if I'm doing that, down here it's just, huh. That shouldn't be being modified already. That one's not being modified at all. I need to fix some shit up. Yeah, neither of those should be being multiplied by settings value yet. Ah, fuck. So, yeah, the B height thing got fixed. Menu nub doesn't need to be changed. BY should also be being multiplied. I'm not just multiplying everything in that, but okay. So it's thing times that minus that times that plus. These brackets do connect, right? Yeah, they do. So it does all of that and then it divides by menu. So I don't care about that part right now. So it's this minus this, right? So instead I could just get rid of brackets and then make that minus, right? And now if you look at our free terms, they're all being multiplied by settings value. So I could just multiply by settings value on the outside. Genius. Also means I don't need this other pair of brackets. I do so much better with math when it's written on paper, man. Let's just make it easier to see. No, it just looks weird now. There. Fixed it. And because I did that, that also means I'm getting rid of this. So all the B values need to make sure they're being modified by settings value when I go for all this. And it's probably going to cause problems because I'm going to miss something. Where's the delete button? Just so I don't have to... There it is. There you go. B width. Yep, yep. I don't set X and Y for that. Okay. Wait, no, it's, the X and Y gets set later on. So, yeah, B width, B height, always getting multiplied by settings value. Yep, yep, yep. These, I'll touch that later. This shit. That. Spacing plus B height. That B height needs to get modified. BY, that also needs to get modified. Wait. Shit. Yeah, so BY times that, so that gives you the actual, that also gives you the actual, hold on. I'm just gonna open up like MS Paint so I could write this out. So I'm just gonna write, so it's Y by A, that's gonna be settings values plus spacing. Okay. Plus S plus height, also being brackets, times A times I. So the way it looks is, yeah. There's no real good way to put this together. Like, I mean, expanded is just YA plus SI plus HAI. Just, why does that look like a fucking polynomial? It looks like a polynomial. Oh. Okay, so it looks messy, but it probably works. I'll just leave it as is. I don't give a shit. Can't be fucked to fix it. Alright, now over to this stuff. That shit's fine. That needs to be multiplied. Yeah, because the R width and R height aren't being modified yet, so. This shit. That's being modified beforehand, can't have that. God, this is the first time I'm doing the ratio shit, so this is gonna get annoying. Yeah, these need to get modified. Yeah. What the fuck? That is that. Wait. I could just multiply by the setting values afterwards. Both terms are being multiplied by it, therefore I can put it on the outside. Huh? That doesn't need brackets anywhere. There we go. Oops. Set Y. Oh, based off of our height, I guess. Might as well. Wait. Oh, I'm fucking stupid. I need to do this in a for loop. Oh, fuck it. And time. equals 0, I less than. Do I normally put a space there? Probably. So this, and then what we would do is go to character, menu, buttons, eyes to access the current value, and then we just grab this, jack that in there. I don't need that. There we go. Grab this part, jam that also up there, and then I don't need these now. There we go. We do like character, buttons, 0 equals IV start. There we go. So it's on the right side of the screen. How far down do I want it to be? The spacing is the same, but I only have 3 buttons now instead of 4. So I can just have the same thing, but instead of it being like a quarter of a way down, I can have it be like, I could just use VY, yeah. Our height divided by 4. Yeah. Do I use B height for these? I forgot. I am. B width, B height. Okay. BY times that. I'll just make it like I plus 1 then. Yeah. Literally the same function. Should be plus, what was it? Plus spacing minus B height, 2, 3. Spacing. Minus, is it spacing plus B height? I skipped past it. Where is it? Times. So the B height needs to get multiplied by that. Where am I? B height times that. And on the outside, we just go times I plus 1. That connects there. That connects to the entire thing. There we go. Yeah. And all I do is character, new buttons. Wait. Add all. There. I know I just need to keep adding this shit. Okay. Next one. It was IMG skill at equals new image. Images, menu, share the character. There we go. Now the unselected one. I realize I haven't been talking too much this stream about like, relevant shit, but I guess that's because I need to focus. So it should have been IV skill equals new image view. And should it be capital? Lowercase needs it to be blue. Ow. Dun, 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 dun. Ow. And then because this one doesn't start off as default selected, we could do this. Skill, and then afterwards do any skill, set the width. It's basically just the same stuff. I did get some library rune in recently. I beat like the anomaly that I was stuck on for no poof. So that would have been like Leatita, I think, was it? The one where they have like the children that are wrapped as a gift. I forget what the order was. It was like children wrapped as a gift wrapped to children, something like that. You know, just the standard. Um, so I beat that. I also beat the smokers. Um, yeah, I really didn't do too much else. I basically de-equipped my main party and just equipped like all the good ones onto the next party, and that's how I'm gonna get through all the stuff. I find it funny because when I'm looking at the story bits, it's just like here's everyone maxed out, and then here's like 3 people all on chapter 1. That would be like Chest, Gebera, and Tippereth. They're. I haven't done a single anomaly for them, so yeah. That's good. Here. Next button should be G back. Yep. Let's see. So it's file. Can't forget that. I'll just copy and paste it. Control C. Could have saved a lot of time if I did this earlier. Oh, oops. Equals IV back. There we go. So now the buttons for that is set up. Okay, I'll probably just leave it at that for now.